your dad is getting closer with the snowblower.
Pretty much everybody has ADD. Nobody can stick to a task.
Except for your dad.
Yeah.
Oh, dildo looking for help. No, back to it.
Let me try this again.
Let me try it
Lucky number
again.
35.
Hopefully Putty looks at me.
Pull it again, Ken. Maybe it'll go.
Oh, it didn't work?
Yeah. Pull it. No, not that time.
Maybe you need to,
I wonder what's happening.
Oh. You were going to read the instructions?
Right. Yeah, maybe it's something down in there.
Because, you know, you usually figure things out in the middle of a blizzard.
Oh, pulled it again. No, nothing. You didn't get it that time.
I should call Wanda and say, Wanda, you think you're going to get that shovel before Ken gets his snowblower going?
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Putty noticed and Putty looked away.
You're damn right. You're damn right he looked away. He's not dealing with that asshole. Ken, I need help. Oh, I can't do it.
Here we go, Patty.
Putty, please help.
Huh?
Please help.
Yeah.
Putty, please help me. I can't get my snowblower. Would you please help me?
We were joking outside. We were like, so it's like mowing your lawn in the snow.
Safety update from Mayor Scott Gelman to the City of Woburn. There is still a state and local ban on driving on all streets except for emergency situations. Travel by unauthorized personnel is strictly prohibited. DPW workers are focusing on maintaining emergency access for public safety officials and emergency purposes. Secondary roads and cleanup operations will continue until further notice. We appreciate your cooperation and patience, which will help expedite cleanup operations. Thank you and have a nice day.
I think my favorite part is when Putty comes back in and we hear the rest of the story from watching.
Just a total squish. Flooded the engine. Doesn't know what he's doing.
Yep. Putty touched it once.
There you go, you dildo. Yeah, that's simple. That freaking simple.
Oh wait, I can't come with nobody. I have to tie my shoe first.
Yep, I gotta tie my shoe. Get ready. You come on. Not done yet.
Actually, that's a piece of Oh, come on. Okay, keep it going.
Piece of shit.